Welcome to this presentation on performance-oriented task resource mapping and scheduling in fog computing environment. This research was conducted by Saroja Subbaraj et al. And published in 24 July 2021. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. The exponential growth of Internet of Things devices has led to a massive increase in data generation, pushing the limits of traditional cloud-centric processing. Fog computing emerges as a critical paradigm, distributing resources closer to the data source to mitigate latency, security, and cost issues inherent in cloud-only solutions. However, the theoretical gap we address is the inherent heterogeneity among fog devices, which makes performance-oriented task resource mapping and scheduling a profoundly complex challenge. Existing approaches often oversimplify this multi-dimensional problem. Our research hypothesis is that multi-criteria decision-making methods, specifically the analytic hierarchy process and technique for order preference by similarity to ideal solution, can provide a robust and effective framework for optimizing task resource mapping in these diverse fog environments. Our baseline assumptions are that while fog devices offer proximity benefits, they possess varying capabilities in terms of processing power, memory, and network characteristics, necessitating a sophisticated decision-making mechanism to select the most suitable device for a given task, considering a comprehensive set of performance, security, and cost metrics. Our methodology employs a two-pronged multi-criteria decision-making approach to assess fog device performance and facilitate optimal task mapping. The first method utilizes the analytic hierarchy process, or AHP, for both priority weight calculation and subsequent device ranking. AHP involves identifying 13 distinct evaluation criteria, encompassing MIPS, RAM, storage, various latencies and bandwidths, power consumption, trust, and multiple cost factors. A pairwise comparison matrix is constructed by surveying experts to determine the relative importance of each criterion. From this matrix, geometric means are calculated, leading to the derivation of individual criterion weights. A crucial step is the consistency analysis, ensuring the reliability of these weights. Finally, the overall performance of each fog device is determined by combining these weights with the device's characteristics, allowing for a ranked selection. The second method combines AHP for weight calculation with the technique for order preference by similarity to ideal solution, or TOPSIS, for ranking. After obtaining criterion weights via AHP, TOPSIS proceeds by first constructing a normalized decision matrix where each element is divided by the square root of the sum of the squares of all elements in its column. This is then transformed into a weighted normalized decision matrix by multiplying each element by its corresponding AHP-derived weight. Next, the positive ideal solution and negative ideal solution are identified for each criterion, representing the best and worst possible performance values. Separation measures are then calculated for each fog device, quantifying its distance from both the positive and negative ideal solutions. Finally, a relative closeness coefficient is computed, and devices are ranked in decreasing order of this coefficient, indicating their overall suitability. This entire framework was implemented and validated within the iFogSim simulator, modifying its module mapping component to integrate these MCDM algorithms. Our simulation results rigorously evaluate the proposed MCDM-based algorithm against three baseline approaches: a cloud-only model, RT-Sane, and PORA, using success ratio as a primary performance metric, defined as the percentage of jobs meeting their specified requirements. Across various scenarios, our proposed algorithm consistently demonstrates superior performance. For instance, when considering individual criteria such as storage, our method achieved high success ratios, effectively allocating storage-demanding jobs to capable fog devices, outperforming RT-Sane, which is not storage-aware. Similarly, for trust-sensitive tasks, the proposed algorithm achieved a 75% success ratio when 75% of fog devices were trusted, significantly surpassing the cloud-only model, which struggled with security-demanding jobs. The strength of our approach becomes even more evident when evaluating combined criteria. For tasks demanding both MIPS and low latency, our algorithm maintains success ratios between 94 and 95%, markedly higher than cloud-only, RT-Sane and PORA, which showed wider variations from 0 to 92%. When cost was added to the MIPS and latency requirements, our method consistently achieved success ratios between 94 and 97%, again outperforming the comparative algorithms. Similar trends were observed for combinations involving RAM, storage, bandwidth, power consumption, and trust, where our algorithm consistently delivered success ratios above 95%. This high-density data summary indicates a statistically significant improvement in task resource mapping efficiency and reliability. Importantly, both AHP and the AHP Topsys methods yielded highly consistent device rankings, with the AHP Topsys approach offering a more balanced selection by considering both positive and negative ideal solutions. The theoretical implications of this work are substantial. Our findings challenge existing models that often rely on simplified heuristics or prioritize only a subset of quality of service parameters. Traditional cloud-only scheduling, while offering vast resources, is demonstrably inadequate for latency-sensitive, cost-constrained, or security-critical applications in a fog environment. Similarly, specialized fog scheduling algorithms like RT-SANE and PORA, while addressing specific concerns, fall short when faced with the comprehensive, multi-dimensional requirements that real-world applications demand. Our proposed MCDM framework, by systematically integrating a broad spectrum of performance, security, and cost metrics, provides a more holistic and adaptable decision-making paradigm. This approach effectively manages the inherent heterogeneity of fog devices, transforming it from a challenge into an opportunity for optimized resource allocation. By quantifying and balancing conflicting objectives, our model offers a robust mechanism for resolving the complex trade-offs between cloud and fog capabilities. This research significantly contributes to the future research frontier by establishing a foundational QoS-aware scheduling model for heterogeneous fog environments. It opens avenues for integrating more dynamic weighting mechanisms, potentially leveraging machine learning to adapt to real-time changes in fog infrastructure and application profiles. Furthermore, it provides a crucial benchmark for the development and evaluation of future multi-objective optimization algorithms in distributed computing systems, emphasizing the need for sophisticated decision-making tools beyond simple heuristics. In conclusion, our core contribution is the development and rigorous validation of a novel, multi-criteria decision-making based scheduling algorithm for heterogeneous fog computing environments. By successfully integrating the analytic hierarchy process and technique for order preference by similarity to ideal solution within the iFog Sim Simulator, we have created a performance-oriented task resource mapping framework that considers a comprehensive set of 13 quality of service parameters, including MIPS, RAM, latency, bandwidth, trust, and various cost factors. Our extensive simulations demonstrate that this approach yields significantly higher success ratios across diverse application requirements compared to existing cloud-only, RT-SANE, and PORA algorithms, providing a robust and adaptable solution for complex fog environments. Looking ahead, we identified 2 to 3 specific high-level directions for future research. First, we plan to extend the module mapping by incorporating dynamic resource utilization metrics into the MCDM framework, enabling more adaptive and real-time scheduling decisions. Second, a crucial next step is to compare the performance of our MCDM techniques with other heuristic-based and exact optimization methods to further validate their efficiency and identify potential synergies. Finally, we aim to explore advanced, potentially machine learning-driven, weighting mechanisms to dynamically adjust criterion importance based on real-time system states and evolving application profiles, pushing the boundaries of intelligent fog resource management.